All right, so this is next video. I just want to open my package already, so I'm starting it now. I'm not gonna actually do any kind of install or anything, but yeah, I got all this shit from fucking Europe. This shit came in. It shipped Monday, and it got here today. So I thought that was pretty neat. Yeah. Open it up. See what we got. You can probably already guess what this is. But it's definitely not for my car. Supposedly these are for the wagon. Yeah, that's what I got. I got me some Euro. Yeah, that thing's fucked up. I got some Euro tails. Yay, straight from Europe. So, can't wait to install these. It's gonna make the car look so much better. So, I'll install these tomorrow. See you tomorrow. What's up? I got a tripod now, so I don't have to hold the camera and stuff. But today I am working on what I unboxed last night. So you probably already watched that. If you've made it this far. Yeah, so that's the first step. There are 3 10mm bolts holding each side in, so I'm gonna bring socket and the tail lights, and then I'll be right back. Yeah, every time.
What is it doing?
Even when you walk up to the car and you have the keys in your pocket, it'll like sense and makes noise or whatever. All right, so I'm gonna get a close up.
Crack it?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Cracked the quarter, so.
Oh my gosh, it's like straight empty.
Yeah.
This is definitely one of those cars where like if you get kidnapped, you can just kick the taillight out and put your hand out the window.
Yeah.
Because it's like huge.
No, it's like so easy to like get the tail light. Like. So there are 3 bolts behind the tail light. This one, that's just a nut. This one has a bracket. This one has the bracket. So when they go in this way, and then you put these in, but these have to, like, when you tighten this compresses to the body, and which holds it into place. So and just like that, it's installed. Looks so much better than that, especially because I got, like, you know, the clears up front too, both side and front markers. So that was an absolute must. But yeah, I'm done with that side, so I'm not gonna bore you guys with this side. I'm gonna get to eating, and then I will do the oil change on the X5. So, right back. All right. So since the taillights are done, we're done with dinner and everything. We are gonna do the oil change now. Except Chelsea's doing it, not me. It's her car. She wants to do it, so you know. I got her set up already. I put it on jack stands for her because, you know, fuck doing that. No one wants to do that. It's like the worst part of the whole job. It is disgusting in here, so I might even clean up the bay a bit too. Using some tips and tricks from my boy Cody. If you're watching this, Cody, I know you watch my videos sometimes. Cody is the master at cleaning engine bays, and Simple Green, it's the cheat code. So we're gonna get to it. I've got the socket and everything down here. Yeah, now it's just gonna be done.
I don't know what I'm supposed to do by my hand. Is there a magical way to do that without using your hand?
No, at all.
Can you take my ring?
Oh my god.
Or soak it in something right now?
Yeah. Her engagement ring is covered in oil. So.
I probably should put gloves on.
Yeah. Except I don't really have gloves. Also, remember to open the oil filler cap. I don't know why I didn't do that. Ring is clean. Thank you. Oh, just the sweetest baby, you know? Alright, so I don't know where we left off, but basically I couldn't find my oil filter wrench, so I had to go and buy one. It's not the best kind, but it's the best one that they had there. Now this bitch was on there tight too. I don't know what it is with technicians, man, and getting this shit on tight. So you get the old O-ring out, which I'm gonna cheat and use a nice little pick. And we get the new O-ring in. Good. Then put the new filter in. Bunch of shit for using this, but I promise next time I will be prepared with the right tool. No funnel gang. I am not trying to funnel or do this without a funnel. So the 5-quart jug we're gonna cheat on. absolutely no idea when it stopped recording because it just stopped recording on its own. But yeah, everything is done. Oil change is done. Tail lights are done. So yeah, that's the end of today's video. Thanks again for watching. If you learned something, cool. If you didn't, also cool. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. We'll see you guys tomorrow.